Different dangerous goods packed in one outer packaging. An outer packaging may contain more than one item of dangerous goods or other goods provided that the dangerous goods do not react dangerously with each other. The dangerous goods do not require segregation. Inner and outer packagings are selected in accordance with the regulations. To ensure the proportional quantity of each substance does not exceed the maximum quantity allowed in the regulations, we need to apply the Q value calculation. IATA DGR states Q value must not exceed 1. The following example will explain how to calculate the Q value. Let's say we're shipping 2 litres net quantity of UN 1223 kerosene packing group 3, 1 litre net quantity of UN 1203 gasoline packing group 2, and 0.2 litre net quantity of UN 1230 methanol packing group 2 in the same outer package. To assist in determining the Q value of this combination package, we must first find the maximum allowed shipping quantity for each substance using IATA DGR. The IATA DGR Table 4.2 states the maximum net quantity per package for each of these items for the transport on a passenger aircraft is UN 1223 kerosene, 60 litres, UN 1203 gasoline 5 litres, UN 1230 methanol 1 litre. Each substance is packed individually in its own inner packaging and then collectively enclosed in an outer packaging with UN specification marking to be transported on a passenger aircraft. In the case of UN 1223 kerosene, we're shipping 2 litres of substance, while the maximum allowed quantity is 60 litres. We're shipping 2 over 60 or 3% of the allowed quantity. In the case of UN 1203 gasoline, we're shipping 1 litre of substance, while the maximum allowed quantity is 5 litres. We're shipping 1 over 5 or 20% of the allowed quantity. In the case of UN 1230 methanol, we're shipping 0.2 litre of substance, while the maximum allowed quantity is 1 litre. We're shipping 0.2 over 1 or 20% of the allowed quantity. The IATA DGR states the combined percentages of these items must not exceed 100% or 1. The addition of our calculations above is 43% or 0.43. This value must be rounded up to the first decimal point, hence the final value is 0.5. This is the Q value. Remember, the Q value must not exceed 1. Think of a glass filled with water. You cannot fill it any more than 100%. Any less is okay. Let's relate the Q value formula to our example. Q is calculated using the formula Q equals N1 over M1 plus N2 over M2 plus N3 over M3. N1, 2 litres of UN 1223 kerosene over M1, maximum allowed quantity is 60 litres. N2, 1 litre of UN 1203 gasoline over M2, maximum allowed quantity is 5 litres. N3, 0.2 litre of UN 1230 methanol over M3, maximum allowed quantity is 1 litre. Or 2 over 60 plus 1 over 5 plus 0.2 over 1 equals 0.43. rounded up to 1 decimal point, 0.5.